Hi everyone, so we are ready for our next step on our winter landscape. Last time you made the 3 grounds, foreground, middle ground, and background, and you added a snowman. If you didn't get a chance to finish the snowman, you have plenty of time today to do that and catch up. This is my example of my finished picture, and you can see that I've added my details to my snowman. And I've added some pine trees in the background and some snow. The snowman, it might be hard to tell in this video, but my snowman is made from construction paper. I didn't use art sticks or oil pastels. I cut things out from colored construction paper and glued them down. That's called collage. So I'm going to set my finished one aside, and I'm just going to show you the beginning steps of working on your snowman. In my lesson video, I'm not going to finish my snowman, but I'm just going to give you a head start on how to begin creating it. So the first thing is I have some colored pieces of construction paper. I like to start with the snowman's nose. So I'm going to take this and just cut out a triangle to be the carrot nose. Now I put it up here and I have to think, to me that looks a little big, maybe a little long, so I want to try to make it a little bit smaller. So you don't want to glue things down right away. You want to try it out first. Okay, yeah, I kind of like that. So at that point, once I've decided I like the way that looks, then I can glue that down. Next, I like to go on to the arms for the snowman. Now you're going to take the brown paper, and to save a step, I like to fold that brown paper in half. And then I'm just going to cut, and it can be kind of a curved line because branches are curved, they're not perfectly straight. And then I'm going to cut here. I like to make skinny branches because that's kind of the way I would use it if I was making a snowman. So now I have my 2 arms. And again, before you glue it down, just look to see how you want to have those arms look. Now, if we have listened to the story Snowmen at Night, you might consider that your snowman is throwing a snowball. If you want yours to be holding something, you can just take one of the branches that you made and cut it in half, and then when you glue it like that. Okay? There's black construction paper, and just cut out little shapes to be the button eyes, or the coal eyes I should say, not the button eyes. And these are really little pieces, so you know that it's going to take a few minutes to get them just the right size. I like to cut out a bigger piece first and then kind of hold it that way. To me, that's a little bit easier. All right, so you can see that I've got this started. Right now, I want you to go ahead and finish things up. Let me bring back my snowman that I finished. So in this picture, you can see I did the carrot nose and the eyes, and I added buttons, but I also added mittens on the end of the sticks, and I gave him a hat. When I did the hat, I took a piece of construction paper, I kind of measured his head, and maybe made a little mark here and a little mark here, so I know how big the snowman's head is, and then I just went and I cut a shape. To be his hat. Now you might not want a hat like that, but I just wanted to show you how I went about getting that hat shape. Okay? So be thinking about that. I also added a scarf. I'm going to stop this video, and then the next video I'm going to show you how to do the trees.